Hi, I'm Ellie.
Hi, I'm Rory.
And we're the KodeKLIX kids from KodeKLIX.
Today we're going to give you an exclusive look on how the parts are made and put into their kits.
KodeKLIX was developed in Australia and we are part of the build team that builds and assembles the parts into kits, ready for delivery to you and your schools.
All the parts start with a concept of what we want them to do. Some things are simple, like a temperature sensor, whilst others are a lot more complex, like the display or the Snap CPU itself.
The plastic housing for Snap parts comes from a big factory in China where they have lots of heavy machines to mould the plastic parts, but some of the concepts for new parts are made using models we first print on our 3D printer.
If the parts have a circuit board inside with chips and other electronic parts, our dad has to engineer these. This gets done on a computer where the parts are laid out and then the connections are made and the design of the circuit board is published for manufacture.
When these circuit boards are made, they are blank except for the tracks, which are like hundreds of tiny roads to carry the electricity, and they have to be populated with electronic parts. Think of this process like building a city, where the shortest buildings are assembled first and the taller ones next.
The last step is to put these into their plastic cases.
Quality is very important, as we don't want students to get parts which don't work. That's why we inspect and test every special part we make. This testing is done using circuits we build with KodeKLIX parts to ensure things snap together and work just as they should.
To supply these kits to everyone, heaps of these different parts have to be made, and all these parts are stored in racks waiting for them to be picked out and packed into our special boxes.
Because KodeKLIX is also about coding, we need to make extensions to the Blockly interface to support all our special parts. Dad does the coding for these new blocks using a coding language called Java. We do all the testing, called beta testing, and help fix things when they don't quite work.
All the parts need their special graphics for publishing into instructions, both for the website and books. Mum does this and publishes our website. Teachers also use this information for publishing into books that support KodeKLIX, such as A's with STEM and Practice book.
And there you are. That's how KodeKLIX becomes from a concept into the KodeKLIX box.
See you next time.